Suppose if you're using Microsoft Excel and if you want to fill a cell, so you can see these are the different cells, and if I want to fill a cell with light blue color, I'm going to select or click this cell. Going to click one of the cell. I want to change the color. I click here. After that I am going to press here. So press here, and from there you can see that the color options, and here I am going to choose the light blue color from here. So you can see this is the light blue color. So if I click here, then you can see that the cell color becomes light blue. So if you want to apply this same color for other cells, you must simply click the cell you want and click here. Then you can see that this cell's color becomes light blue here. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.